Hi everyone, Sonnie here with some helpful travel tips. Today I want to talk about accommodations. They can be one of the most expensive parts of any trip. But in this video, I'd like to share some ways to get your accommodations for your next adventure for next to nothing. If you know any more awesome tips for saving money on accommodations, please comment with them below. Thanks! Number 1, work for stay. There are tons of websites out there to help you find hostels, farms. Oh my gosh. Oh! There are a ton of websites out there where you can find a hostel, farms, or other types of businesses where you can work for a set number of hours per week in exchange for accommodations, and sometimes even food. Most of these websites require a small fee to keep them running, but they pay for themselves. The top 3 websites that I would recommend is WWOOF, which is the Worldwide Opportunities on Organic Farms website, Workaway, and HelpX. But there are many more. You don't necessarily need to use these websites though. If you're staying at a hostel, you could just ask them if they need extra help in exchange for housing. We've met many people that have done that, from Budapest to here in Japan. If they need an extra hand, you can stay there for free. Number 2. House sitting or pet sitting internationally. I could easily make an entire video about our awesome experience with our international pet sitters. If you'd like something like that, please comment below and let me know. But for now, I'll just share a little bit of information about it with you. Basically, you can sign up on certain websites to become a house sitter or a pet sitter, and then apply through the websites to house sit and pet sit in other countries. When we used this service, we were interviewing a few couples, and one told us that they got to spend an entire summer in Paris without paying anything for accommodation. I can't even imagine how much money that saved them. The owners have the peace of mind of knowing that their homes and their animals are safe and secure, and they get to keep in touch with the people looking after them. And the pet sitters and house sitters get to have free accommodation. It's a win-win all around. We use Nomador, but I've also heard good things about Mind My House and Trusted House Sitters. Number 3. Home exchange. This one can be seen in the Christmas movie The Holiday. We've never personally been able to do this one because of our cats. But if you have a home, you can swap homes with someone else in another country for a vacation. Both of you get to keep in touch with the other person, and you get to live like a local. Once again, it's a win-win. The top website for this one that I know of is called Home Exchange. Number 4. Couchsurfing. Couchsurfing, for those of you who don't know, is a community of travelers who offer their spare room, couch, floor space, whatever they have to other travelers to crash on while they're in their city. We've personally had mixed experiences with couchsurfing. The bad experiences can be really bad, but the great experiences can be absolutely amazing. We even made a friend in Ireland who then came and crashed on our couch when she was visiting Edinburgh for the first time. So I definitely recommend this one, but I'm going to make another video on the right way to do couchsurfing, because I definitely know some tips and tricks to get your perfect couchsurfing experience. So stay tuned for that. Number 5. Stay in hostels. I'll finish this list with a classic. Hostels are the main accommodation we used while traveling. We always stay in the largest mixed dorm they have, so sometimes we've roomed with up to 18 other people. Some people are super considerate. We were really surprised at how many nights we were able to sleep with no problems. And my ears are really weird, where my ear canals are really, really small, so I can't even use earbuds, let alone earplugs. But we do have some funny stories on getting woken up by drunks. I'm probably going to make another video about hostels and how to find good ones. A lot of colleges and universities also convert their dorms into hostels during the slow seasons, like summer vacation. We've used that previously in Slovenia and got a really great deal. I'll link the video up here because I took some footage from it so you can see it. I'd love to hear if you guys had used any of these and what your experiences were like. And like I said before, if you have any tips or tricks on how to save money on accommodations while traveling, please comment with them below and we can help each other out. If you liked this video and want to learn more about how to budget while traveling, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you've already subscribed, make sure to hit the little bell icon next to the subscription box so that you get an email every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, do you like my shirt? It says get on my level. And it's a giraffe. Do you get it? Because they're really tall. I love it. Oh, 2 more things that I almost forgot to mention. Guess who's starting his own YouTube channel? Joe! He is starting a gaming channel, so I will link that below. Definitely head over there and check it out, especially if you like Minecraft. He's going to be doing a lot of Minecraft custom maps, and I like making him do the horror maps. That way he gets really scared because he doesn't like getting scared, and it's really fun. The other thing that I wanted to mention before I leave you is that I'm trying something new on my Instagram. When we go out and have eventful days, I'm trying to use the Instagram stories to do live vlogs, basically, where every once in a while when I have something interesting to show, I go live or I record a quick video of what's going on around me, and then I upload them so you guys can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Especially for the people that miss my vlogs from Vlogmas, definitely make sure that you're following me on Instagram, and yeah, Twitter, why not? Both of those are at Sonnie Travels. Thanks so much! Bye! We're so cute. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe. Ooh, that looks like a cool video. You should totally watch that. Click that like button.